Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So, let's get started. Open your web browser and visit ilovepdf.com. This website offers a variety of tools for working with PDF files, all conveniently located in one place. Once you're on the website, find and click on the Compress PDF option in the menu. This will open a new window where you can start compressing your PDF files. Next, select the PDF files you want to compress. A menu box will appear. Navigate to the location of your PDF file, select it, and then click Open. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a drop-down menu with different compression options. Choose Recommended Compression for optimal results. Then, click on the Compress PDF button. The website will process your files, and once the compression is complete, you can download the compressed PDF files to your computer. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.